The algorithm is going to kill your channel if you don't stop this. 95% of faceless AI channels built this month will never make a single dollar. Not because the creators aren't working hard, but because they are executing a business model that YouTube has already quietly programmed its system to destroy. Drop whatever you are doing right now for the next 3 minutes because we are pulling up the official data to show you the side of this trend they pray you never discover. And the data from the YouTube Partnership Program rules backs it up completely. Section 3 of the monetization policy explicitly states that automatically generated repetitive content with low quality synthetic voices will be flagged as reused content. They are deliberately hiding the paperwork. They are not telling you that the channels following these exact tutorials are getting their monetization stripped overnight. You are spending hours editing a channel that is legally dead on arrival. Lock your focus onto the screen because we are putting the exact code and math under the microscope to expose the bad side of this. Let's track the exact workflow these viral gurus are pitching. Now, they tell you to go to a free AI writing tool, copy generic script, paste it into a free voice generator and upload it. Let's look at the financial motive behind this advice. The creator of that tutorial isn't making money from the faceless channel they are showing you. They are making money because you click the registration link in their description. They are selling you a dream that they themselves do not execute, using highly polished editing to mask a system that doesn't generate a single dollar in real ad revenue. Now let's look at the actual numbers they hide from you. They claim the software is 100% free. Let's pull up the pricing on their the pricing tier on screen. Alright, the free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month. A standard 5-minute video requires roughly 6,000 characters. That means your entire free business model runs completely out of gas on video number 2. Now, to continue, you are hit with a hard paywall of $30 to $50 a month. They trap you into building an automation workflow that costs more to run than the channel will ever pay you back. We generated a standard script using a free AI tier, applied the most popular synthetic voice, and ran it through an audience review panel. The results are devastating. Viewers drop off within the first 15 seconds because the human brain instantly detects the robotic cadency and disconnects. More importantly, when you try to submit this exact audio format for monetization, the automated review bot flags the frequency pattern as non-original. You don't get a payback, you get a rejection letter. The system is built to reward human creativity, not identical clones. Stop wasting your technical capability on saturated copy-paste tricks made for the unthinking crowd. The era of falling for the free AI cash cow illusion is over. If you want to make real capital on YouTube, you build things with genuine creative depth. This is your clinical reality check. The trap has been exposed and the observer is officially awake. The algorithm did not bring you here. Your readiness to see the raw data did. Secure your place in this high intelligence financial frequency. Hit the suppression button, like the analysis, and leave a comment below with the word exposed to signal that you are no longer playing their games. This analysis is officially closed.